friends, so now we're going to look at the answers. So we do 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So if you did it correctly, I'm just gonna, this has a 2 all the way down. This has a 4 all the way down. This has a 3. This has a 1 all the way down to 100. Has a 5 all the way down. 6 all the way down. 7 all the way down. 8 all the way down. 9 all the way down. And 0 all the way down. Okay. Because I'm not going to sit there and make 100. So, if you did this correctly, it should go all the way to 100. Okay. So, remember, we were supposed to mark, when we count by 2s, all the 2s would be blue. So, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and if you did it correctly, it's a pattern, right? All of these all the way down are blue. And we would call those even numbers because we can break them into 2 pieces. Okay, so that would be blue. And then all my 5s I'm doing by yellow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, look, do you see a pattern? I see a pattern. Go all the way down and all the way down. So if you did it correctly, friends, it should look like that. Now my blue is really light, so you kind of can't see it. I'm sorry about that. I chose a light Sharpie, but that's what it would look like. Okay, now let's look at the front. Okay, so I'm going to go 3 plus 7 is 10, because I know my math facts, and 10 plus 0 is 10. 9 plus 1 makes a 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 7 plus 3 makes 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 6 plus, oh, I have doubles, that's 4. So what's 6 plus 4? If you know you're to 10 math facts, you'll know that. 7 plus 3, there's another 10. Plus 5 is 15. Oh, we don't have make a 10 or doubles, so we're actually going to have to add. So 7 in your head, 1 on your finger, 7, 8. So we have 8 right here. Put 8 in your head and count to 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The answer is 13. I see doubles hiding. If you know your doubles, you'll know that part. It's 12. 12 in your head, 3 on your finger. 12, 13, 14, 15. It would be 15. Okay, I see doubles. That's 6. Oh, that's just like this one. And I can add in any order. That's what that's showing me. See? They're just different order. And that's 10. Okay, our last ones. We actually have a triple digit, but we're just going to count our doubles first. So 10, 5 more, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's 15. I see more doubles. That's 8. Put 8 in your head, 3 on your fingers. 8, 9, 10, 11. That would be correct. Okay, let's look at this. Let's make another 10. That's the goal, is to make a 10 or find our doubles if we can. What's 10 plus 1? 11. Okay, friends, so these are the answers for this week. So I'm just trying to let you see them. Okay? And hopefully that made sense. Okay, bye everyone.